Hello and welcome, little learners, to our Learn from Home session. My name is Shrutika Lohar from Devnar Colony Municipal English School number 1, and today we are going to read 8th lesson from 3rd standard EVS textbook, Our Need for Water. So let's begin. Can you tell this happens, doesn't it? Sometimes tears flow from our eyes. Our mouth waters when we see a tamarind pod. Our nose turns or our nose runs when we have a cold. When we get a cut, it bleeds. What does this tell us? Tears, saliva, water running from the nose, and blood are present in our body. They are substances that flow. They contain water. Try this. Do this under adult supervision. Take a small piece of cucumber, grate it, squeeze it hard. Take a slice of lemon, squeeze it hard too. What do you see? Juice flows out of the grated cucumber and the lemon slice. What does it tell us? There is water in a cucumber and a lemon. Why do we feel thirsty? We need water if our body has to function properly. Water keeps our blood clean. Water helps to digest our food. Unwanted substances leave our body through urine. We must have enough water in our body at all times. When there is a lack of water in our body, we get thirsty. Like us, other living things too need water. Can you tell which animals are drinking water at the river bank? Who is playing in the river? Some people are carrying water home. What will they use it for? Some goats are drinking water from the river. People are carrying water home. They will use it for washing and cleaning and bathing. Children are playing in the river. A public source of water. In many villages, cows, buffaloes, and goats come to the river or pond to drink water. Grass and other bushes can be seen growing near the water hole. Animals bathe themselves in it. Birds like the whooping, lapwing, kingfisher, and eaglet can also be seen around the water source. People from the village wash their clothes in it. They carry water to use at home. What's the solution? The water in the public source has to be kept clean. Do you know people who keep animals provide drinking water to them without fail? We know that these animals too get thirsty, but there are thousands of other animals we do not realize that they too need water. Ant, honeybee, crab, scorpion, ants, honeybees, crabs, scorpions, and all other animals need water. Can you tell why do we go near a water hole in a jungle to see wild animals? Wild animals also need water. They come to a water hole in the forest when they are thirsty. So, people too go there in order to sight the wild animals. The importance of water. People need water not only for drinking but also for cooking and cleaning. We need water for agriculture and industry as well. Water is very important in our lives. Try this. Take two potted plants of equal growth. Label them as 1 and 2. Every morning for the next 5 days, water only plant 1. Do not water plant 2. What do you see? Plant 2, which was not watered, slowly dries up. Plant 1 looks fresh and green. What does this tell us? Plants need water to live. Plants need water. We water our potted plants. Farmers water the crops in their fields. Could these plants live without water? Thus, we see that plants, like animals, need water. Use your brain power. The trees in the forest also need water to grow. From where do they get the water they need? Rainwater seeps into the soil. Roots of plants spread deep into the soil. These roots absorb the water that has seeped into the soil. Do you know some plants like bulrushes grow only in water? We can try our best to grow them in soil, but they cannot survive there. The lotus, water chestnut, and hyacinth are also plants that grow in water. Use your brain power. Why do we need to water a garden more often in summer? Why is water in ponds and wells much reduced in summer? Naturally, as the summer season, we experience more of heat, water dries up, and that's the reason why in garden we need water more often during summer season. What we have learned, living things need water. There is water in the bodies of living things. That is why the body keeps working properly. We get thirsty when there is a lack of water in our body. Many villages have a common source of water from which water is taken for use at home. Certain birds and plants are commonly found near such sources. We need water not only for drinking but also for cleaning, cooking, growing crops, and for industry too. The root of plants go deep into the soil and absorb water. Always remember, everyone should take care to keep the public source of water clean. It is each one's responsibility to do so. Thank you very much for listening.